Hi, we're the MG Boys. We've put out 3 videos this year. Our first video was on the warnings of dragon's breath, a dangerous frozen dessert made with liquid nitrogen.
Today, we'll be making dragon's breath. All right, so we need liquid nitrogen, gloves, and cheese balls. You also need a tasty sauce. Okay, I'll be right back. Thanks.
Wait, don't make that!
Why not?
Do you even know what dragon's breath can do to you?
Let's see what the Flower Girls were up to this year.
Our younger MG kids, who were affectionately called the Flower Girls, have made 2 videos this year, including the science of flowers.
My name is Honor, and mine is Gianna, and mine is Kathryn. I'm so excited we're going to talk about flowers. No, flour you know for baking. You can see the 3 parts: the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. The starch is irreversibly changed as it dissolves. Proteins are what makes future dough sticky and elastic. Protein that's bad for you? Some people are allergic to gluten, so they stay away from breads and pastas. I'm not, though.
Our second video was on the science behind Panna Cotta, an Italian dish made with gelatin. We filmed the Panna Cotta video in the restaurant Biba, a Latin restaurant with its owner, Chef Jason Benegazzi.
We're going to flavor it with this chocolate-flavored cereal here, Cocoa Puffs, and have a nice chocolatey panna cotta.
So we have 0.25 ounces of our gelatin. So we're going to pour the milk into a small bowl. And then we just add this into the bowl.
Yeah, but before you do that, we want to whisk that in. So, well, see, all the good stuff is in that cereal, so you want to press it just a little bit.
So that you can get the chocolate flavoring.
I don't think your home fridge will cool these quickly enough to let them set right. You'll end up with like...
They also had a special episode with Dr. Rodney at Geneva University about sourdough bread.
Look, Kathryn, there are little bubbles of gas exploding in this gooey glob of disgusting water and flour. Do I smell vinegar?
What you girls smell is the pungent brew of bacteria and yeast. These microbes eat the sugar that's in here in the flour, right, and they convert it into carbon dioxide gas. And that's what's going to make the sourdough bread have bubbles in it and actually rise up.
Why sourdough?
Well, I can give you at least 3 reasons. Number 1, sourdough lasts longer.
Sourdough. It's done baking. Check out all the air holes. Wow, it's a lot sweeter than I expected. Thank you for watching our episode on the MG Kids, and remember to play with your food.
In our final video, we filmed mozzarella balloons using an ISI whip. We used the ISI whip to inflate our mozzarella balloons.
Wait, you're forgetting one thing.
What's that?
Tomatoes.
Ah, the tomatoes. Okay. Like that. Carmine, Hoby, you want to help?
Yep. Alright, so we're going to need the mozzarella.
It's probably going to be hot,
Yep.
so be careful there. Should have like a pancakey thing. And what you're going to do is you're going to put just the edges on your ISI whip. Gently. And stop. See that? And now you have your mozzarella balloon here. Now wait.
Oh, wait.
There's something sciencey about this. Surface tension is the key to that.
What's surface tension?
Surface tension is a bond between molecules that hold things together.
Molecular gastronomy is an amazing combination of biology, chemistry, and physics. As we explore cooking, we encourage all of you to remember.
play with your food.